In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Microsoft Copilot button in Windows, a process that will only take about 5 minutes. If you've been looking to remove or simply hide this button to reduce clutter on your taskbar or just don't find it useful, you're in the right place. We'll guide you step by step, so even if you're not particularly tech-savvy, you'll be able to follow along with ease. Let's get started by opening the Run dialog box. You'll want to press the Windows key along with the R key on your keyboard. This combination is a quick way to open the Run command. Once you see the dialog box pop up on your screen, type in gpdit.msc. This command will open the Group Policy Editor, a powerful tool within Windows that allows you to manage advanced system settings. After you press Enter, the Group Policy Editor window will open. Now, here's where navigation comes into play. You'll be looking for a specific setting, so you'll need to follow this path. First, in the left sidebar, click on User Configuration. This expands into more folders. Now, look for Administrative Templates and give that a click. It will further break down into additional components where you need to find Windows components. Once you're there, finally locate and click on Windows Copilot. Now you will see a list of policies related to the Windows Copilot. The one we're interested in is called Turn Off Windows Copilot. Go ahead and double-click on this policy. Doing so will open a new window with a few options. You're looking to disable this feature, so you need to select the Enabled Radio button. Yes, it's a bit counterintuitive. You're enabling a policy to turn off a feature. But that's how it goes with these settings. Once you've selected the Enabled button, you're almost at the finish line. Look over to the bottom right corner of this window and click Apply. This ensures that adjustment of the policy is registered. Then, click OK to close this window and save the change you just made. Now, for the changes to take full effect, go ahead and restart your computer. I know restarting can be a bit of a hassle, but it's a necessary step to ensure the policy change is applied correctly. After your system boots back up, you should find that the Microsoft Copilot button no longer appears on your taskbar. And there you have it, a cleaner, more simplified workspace without the Microsoft Copilot button. Thanks for tuning in to this quick guide. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tech tutorials.